This is an audio help session on how to fill in your interconnections chart for your health fair project. We want you to be able to connect 3 of the 6 CDC health priority areas that we introduced to you, and they are labeled here, in our self-awareness unit to your topic area. So we're going to be looking for the words in each one of these categories that we choose to try and connect. Doesn't mean that it causes your topic area, but it has some sort of connection. And there is a connection with every one of your topics to 3 of these areas. So remember, you need to connect 3 of the 6 CDC priority areas. And then we are going to put the fact in here. So this is a research-based piece of information, and also the source will also go here as well. So this is how you complete the assignment. So I'm going to take a look at the first one, and I'm going to try and make easy connections. So I'm going to take tobacco use, and I'm going to use the topic of arthritis. These bullet points are subtopics so that you can also Google search with these words. You don't have to connect all of them, but what we're looking for is some sort of type of tobacco connection to arthritis. So I'll go out to Google. I will put in tobacco use and arthritis. I will search there. I won't pick the first thing that comes up. Now I'm going to look for important and notable and valid pieces of information or areas of information. I know WebMD is good. It's doctor-based. I don't know anything about the Healthline, so I might stay away from there. But I do know that the Mayo Clinic is also doctor-based and a lot of research-based, so I'm going to click on this. So it talks about smoking and rheumatoid arthritis, which is a form of arthritis. So I would go through, read, and it's got a lot of information. But I think the one thing that I want to figure out is that, okay, the connection between tobacco use and arthritis. So if I read that first paragraph, it does say, studies show that a person's risk of developing rheumatoid arthritis isn't limited to genetic predisposition. The environmental risk factors also play a role in who develops RA, and smoking has been shown to be one of the strongest environmental risk factors. To me, there's my connection to tobacco, okay? Smoking, right there. So I'm going to copy that, go back to my health fair packet, interconnections chart. I'm going to paste it in there. Now I need to go back and get my source. So I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to copy that right next to the word source here. I'm going to paste that in there. And the next thing that I would strongly suggest that you do is go down to your 3rd page of your packet. Go to the page that talks about your sources, where interconnection sources. This is my first one. I will paste it there as well. So 3 different places I want to make sure that gets put. Then I would go back to my connections and look for what's the next one. I may just put in the Google search drinking and arthritis and see what comes up. Maybe I don't find anything with drinking and arthritis, but I could still think that there might be some sort of drug-related connection. So maybe I'll put medication and arthritis. And if I'm having a hard time with this topic area, don't worry about it. Move on, try something else. But there is a connection, minimally 3 connections to your topic. When you're finished, move on and let us know, and we can help you out with the next part. Thanks.